Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. I have a friend who loves pork, and she was coming over to our house for dinner. I cooked this dish that I know her family, include her children, would enjoy. This dish is very much an improvisation. You use my basic template for ground meat stir fry. It was a lot of fun for me to cook this dish because it was different enough that making it interesting, but it's also similar enough I know that it will work out. My wok might look a little dirty because I just use it to cook another dish. Since this dish has a strong flavor, it was not necessary for me to clean the wok before cooking this dish. I used approximately 8 ounces of ground pork to cook this dish. The ground pork was given to me by my neighbor who raises pigs on his farm. Almost everyone whom I have cooked this dish for love the ground pork. And I believe that most people will agree that among the 3 common types of meat, chicken, beef, and pork probably has the best flavor. One of the main reasons that I think ground pork is an excellent choice for many stir-fry dishes is that the pork actually can spread out throughout the dish in providing a nice meat flavor without putting too much amount of meat. For me, it is really an excellent way to use ground pork in this type of situation to boost the consumption of vegetables. For this dish, I use my basic seasoning mix to enhance the umami flavor of the ground pork. Now, this seasoning mix comes from the seasoning agents of my masala dabur. This will serve what I consider to be a foundation flavor. Well, I found some chopped onions in the refrigerator, and I decided to use it. Now, I consider this circumstantial because I would have skipped them if I do not have any. It definitely is not a critical ingredient. Anyway, it won't hurt at all because onion goes well with almost anything. For this dish, I was also cooking for the children. I know they like sweet corn for sure, but I'm also going to add some edamame, which will blend well with other ingredients, and I think they would like it as well. Besides, it also makes a good color presentation. Like the saying goes, a good-looking dish is also a good-tasting dish. And next, I found some scallions in the refrigerator all ready to go. Now, here it is why advanced prepping is so important, and I consider it to be critical for me to have fun in my cooking. Up to this point, this dish could be considered to be done. However, I want to make this dish more interesting, so I discovered some portobello mushroom ready to be used in the refrigerator, so why not add some of them? I really believe that advanced prepping not only make my cooking more efficient and rapid, but it also makes my cooking more fun and creative because I can pick and choose what ingredients add to the dish and try out different combinations. The dish is almost done. This is the time I'm going to fine-tune the flavor of the dish. I call this flavor chasing. One of my favorite sauce is oyster sauce. I call it a quick fix sauce. I often use it to boost the flavor of a dish by adding a small amount according to the flavor preference for the dish. I love to add color to a dish, and colored bell peppers are a good ingredients to brighten your dishes. I always have some colored pepper in my prep. So okay, the dish is ready, and the total cook time of this dish is about 6 minutes. So what is the verdict? My friend and her husband love the dish because they both love pork. However, the children also love this dish as well. So over the years, I have learned that children love dishes where the ingredients are cut into small pieces. Because this way they can mix everything with rice or noodles, and this is a type of consistency that children really enjoy. And I believe this is also the primary reasons that why children love fried rice. I find the ground pork in this dish is most enjoyable when they are cooked to a crunchy texture because they taste like bacon bits. This video is not intended to be a recipe. Rather, I would like to show you the basic principles of template-based cooking. You can use other ingredients in the place of sweet corn, edamame, and onion. Also, instead of using ground pork, you can use ground beef, or even ground venison. So by using template-based cooking, in fact, you have infinite possibilities. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share.